and knew just how to play my part. Together in my favorite season, let's do it for the right reason. Oh, I wish that it would never end. Christmas time on its way again. All the lovers, they may come and go. Let me tell you, this is one thing I know. There will never be another one. Me and you in the midnight sun. It's funny now, I see it crystal clear. I'm sure that it must be this time of the year. There will never be another one. Me and you in the midnight sun. It's funny now, I see it crystal clear. I'm sure that it must be this time of the year. Come on, baby, just take my hand. Yeah, Christmas time is here again. No more worries and no more fears. Leave it all, baby, this time of the year. There will never be another one. It's me and you in the midnight sun. It's funny now, I see it crystal clear. I'm sure that it must be this.
So this is a shower curtain that my boyfriend purchased off of rosegal.com. He picked this out all on his own one year when I was complaining that we didn't have enough Christmas decorations. So I thought he did a really good job considering the colors go really well with the tile we have in here, as well as our regular bathroom rugs in here. So I thought that was cute, a little snowman. Also, as you saw, I took down the canvas art that I had on the wall here, and I just wrapped it up in some wrapping paper. And I really wanted to use that other red wrapping paper, but as you saw, I didn't have enough, so I had to use this other type of wrapping paper that is like a white with little gold foil Christmas trees on it. And I really wish it would pop more, but beggars can't be choosers, because at this point, that's all I had in the house, and I'm not going to go out and purchase another roll just for this canvas. I bought that bow, I think, a couple years ago. I want to say Walmart. It was either Walmart or Dollar Tree. And yeah, I thought it looked really cute over on the corner. I was going to do like my own bow, but I didn't have a red color or like a brown color. And over on here, I just took out the little pot that I had with the faux succulents, and I put this cute little Lennox snowman that was gifted to me by a coworker several years ago, and it does light up. So if you turn it on during the night, it is super cute. Over in this area, what I did was I just moved over the little decorative art piece that I had, and I just added this really cute Christmas scene that my sister gifted to me many, many moons ago. This was from Yankee Candle, I believe. Either Yankee Candle or, yeah, I think it was Yankee Candle. This is something that is really near and dear to me because I've had it for so many years, and I just love it. I love that you can spin the little carousel around. I think that's so cute. So this is a Scentsy wax melt. As you know, I cannot use wax melts because my boyfriend has really bad asthma. So I lighted this many, many moons ago, and I never actually took it out. I think it looks cute with a little red color on it. So honestly, I just put like a little faux tea light candle here, and it does the job. It looks cute. So we have that. And then all I did was just move over what I had on this side over to here, and I added the cute little succulent right in front, and I kind of just left it there. And it's pretty much just what I do. I don't go overboard with tons of decorations in the bathroom. So just enough when people actually come in here. It looks festive. So that's the bathroom. All right, so that is the living room, and it's really the main area that I decorate every year. That in the bathroom. So give you a little bit of close-up. So if you watched my other video where I put this apothecary jar together with some Christmas bulbs and some lights, and this is a really adorable reindeer that I got over at TJ Maxx, and I bought that this year, and I loved it because of the finish on it. In the right setting, it has like an iridescent look to it. It's like a white paint, but it's like really shiny, so I thought it worked perfectly with the decor that I have in this room. I have another one down the bottom there. That's the other reindeer that I got, because you should always have a pair when you buy something that you really love. So in this room, we don't really have a TV that we use, because we use the family room downstairs to watch TVs. This is a Santa that I got many, many moons ago. It's like a lighted Santa optic. It's like a fiber optic Santa, and it's really cute. It's got like this silver color, and it's really old. I want to say I've probably had this thing for close to 20 years. That's how old it is. But it's really cute, and it's still holding up. It's just a plug-in one. Here I have a little snow globe that I got at TJ Maxx. Probably like 8 years ago I bought that. So that TV screen is what I normally pull up here for the holidays, or like Halloween or Christmas. I usually have that set up here for when I have visitors, so they can either watch TV, or what I normally do is like during a dinner party or whatnot, I will put like a Yule log in the background with like Christmas music. So I thought about that now. After the fact, I started filming. I probably should have set up my Roku player and put on a cute little like fireplace scene, but that's okay. So what I did here is I just strung some icicle lights, and this is the first time that I've strung icicle lights in this area. I usually don't do that, but I had an extra set of lights, so I'm like, you know what, I think it'll look really cute in this space, and it gives it a nice look when it's on at night. I have this little Merry Christmas sign that I put up, and it's like this little furry, white little snow furry letters, which I bought at TJ Maxx a couple years ago. And what you see on the wall here is a circle mirror that I purchased, I think 2 or 3 years ago at Burlington Coat Factory, and this is like the perfect Christmas card holder. So once I start getting my Christmas cards in the mail, I just stick them in between these little wires, and they hold perfectly. Like if you set the card, like if you set the bottom of the card on these, it like perfectly holds them in place and they don't fall. And I thought it was a really cute way to display Christmas cards. As you can see, I don't have Christmas cards up yet, but they will probably start flowing in the next few weeks. So over here, we have the tree. I'll just kind of show you some of the newer things I got this year. This is some bulbs from Pier 1. And the closest Pier 1 to me actually went out of business. I'm so upset. So I picked these up at a really good price. So I got a couple of these. They're like the really, really heavy ones. What else did I get this year? Oh, so these, I got a bunch of these from Michael's, And I thought these were so cute, little snowflakes, and they have like that iridescent look to them. And I thought that they matched perfectly with the theme that I was going with. What else did I buy? These are old ones from Macy's, like several years ago. I bought those a couple years ago, these flowers. They're like so cute. They're like velvet, which I love. And then throughout the tree, I have just the regular white pearl ones. And I bought whatever they had. They were on sale for like $2.49. This tree is really old, guys. 20 years old. This thing is 20 years old. Yeah, I know. I'm old. But it's super old, and I hope to get a new tree. I say that every year. I've been saying that for like the last 3 or 4 years. I'm gonna get a new tree. I'm gonna get a new tree, and it never happens. But I don't know. It's one of those things. The tree that I want is super expensive, and I just have to. I have to be in the mood to spend that much on a Christmas tree. So these cute little things right here, I also got at Pier 1. Those were on sale, and those are actually napkin rings. I absolutely love those. This area is pretty much done. I haven't done my dining room yet, so I'm not even going to show you that in this video because it's literally just empty. My table is empty. There's nothing on it. I'm hoping to do a little craft with me video, and maybe I will be able to post that up at some point during December. And we're going to go over here. You guys probably saw this in my craft video. If you did, that's just another little decoration that I put together with some flowers and snow-covered branches, and again, these super gorgeous little like pearly twig thingies, spray twigs, whatever you call them, swigs, I don't know. I got the little gnomes, and those were lit up a little while ago. These two acrylic, let me just get down here. These two acrylic angels were lit up, and they have like this iridescent look to them, and I'm just so upset. I bought these at Walgreens like a week or two ago, and every time I turn them on, they stay on for like 20 minutes and then they turn off. I feel like I'm gonna return them because they don't stay on, and they are really pretty when they do stay on. They're like this iridescent look that kind of matches the sequence on the gnomes. I'm sorry that I decorated around the window area, but I did that during the week, and honestly, I just didn't have it in me to set up my tripod and film. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave me a like below so that I know you enjoyed it, and also leave me a comment down below letting me know what theme, if any, you are going with this year for the holidays. Also, if you are not already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing below and hitting that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. I would love it if you joined my subscription family. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!